Excel condition formatting formula based on another cell formula. We will discuss 4 condition here. Excel condition formatting formula based on another cell date. Second case is Excel condition formatting formula based on another cell is blank. Third condition is Excel condition formatting formula based on another cell text. And the last fourth condition is Excel condition formatting formula based on another cell value. So let's start the video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Onlinehometutor.com offering free Excel code. You can join now. So let's start the video with the Excel condition formatting formula based on another cell date. In this example, we have a condition in date column and we will apply a color in colors column. So here you can see we are going to apply a condition for the date in another cell B5 and selecting the color for this condition and need to apply in complete range, so I'm going to change the range C5 to C27. Now apply. The second condition is we are going to apply a date for before that B5 for K16 and color is green. So in one range we are applying 2 conditions and one more condition we will apply here for today date. If data has same date arrival same day date, so it will be pop up in the red color. So here you can see we have one date available here for this, so I'm going to select the date with red color formatting. Need to change the range, then apply. Once I am going to change the date, it will be change the color as well. I need to apply date with the correct format, so it will be change the color. So our second example is Excel condition formatting formula based on another blank cell. So new rule: condition formatting, use a formula to determine which cell to format. We will use here is blank formula and select the city and will change the unit color. So if the city name will not available, so the unit color will be pop up in a blue color. So here you can see once I am going to change the range, so it will be change the color of unit if city name will not be available. So it's a third example, sorry, it's a second example. So once I remove the city name, here you can see it's changing the color. So the next example is for Excel condition formatting formula based on another cell text. So I am going to select the New York City for applying this condition. If city name has New York, so unit color will be changed. So we can find out if the order from New York, so it will be pop up with the help of condition formatting. Here we apply red color. So here you can see once we apply this formula and apply it to complete range, so it will be show us how many New York in our data with the help of formatting, with the help of condition formatting. So here we have 3 New York mentioned in our data, so we can see 3 red color in our units range. The last is condition formatting via value. So if value is greater than 10, so unit value is greater than 10, so the cells will be appear in orange color, or you can say brown or orange. It looks like brown. Need to change the range as well, F5 to F27, so it will be show us how many orders has more than 10 values. I hope you like video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any query, so you can comment us. I have another have another video for you for conditional formatting, a very useful video. Please don't forget to watch this video. It will be available in description and I button. So please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.